breed from northern Spain, and they're very adaptable. They have a lot of depth to their gene pool. They have coarse wool, very long staple wool. Staple is the length of the fibers, so a merino or a rambouillet would be about this long. These guys have really, really long wool. It's not particularly soft, so they made rugs and blankets out of it usually. You probably know the history better than I do, but the Spanish, there are two breeds that come from Spain, Merinos and Churros. And the Merino wool is very, very valuable, and the King of Spain wouldn't let them take Merino sheep out. But they would let the explorers take out the Churro sheep because they weren't as valuable. So. You know, we do this a certain way. We learned from, where's that guy from? Maine. And this is kind of the Irish way to do it. There's sort of a pattern. When you're all done, there's a pattern to it. And the idea is to be efficient. So you know that when you're shearing certain parts, you're not going to come back again, and you can reach them better this way. Like right now, I'm taking the long blows. These are called the long blows. So I've sheared sideways, and now I'm going from the tail to the front. And you can take a great big bite. You know there's not going to be any wrinkles. I put her head back so there's no wrinkles. And that's, but, you know, if all you had to do was shear, you can do it however you want, whatever it takes to get the wool off.
We're done with the fleece, we'll roll it up in a ball. It actually goes inside like this, and we make this big soft fuzzy ball out of this part. We wash a lot of this, or we'll take one of the fleece here and we'll actually wash and process it here ourselves. The other fleece, we actually use a fulling mill here in California that we send it to, and they'll wash it for us and get it ready for spinning. But we do take all of this wool and we process it and we turn it into yarn, and then we weave it into a blanket, and we hope you come and check that out sometime.
Ha